Well, what should we do?
Well, we got
Go back to
Flake's
the
boat.
lakeside or go on a boat?
We can go on a boat. I don't see why there's a problem there.
Oh, Pork, what you waiting for, man? Get your ass on the yacht.
Bird, herd.
How many can this fit?
4?
Okay, we're all...
Oh, we could hold one more.
You can do it, old man. Just one
Baby.
foot after the other.
Hey, baby, baby.
Back up a little bit. You'll get a better grip.
Okay. Hey, baby, baby.
Wait, what?
No, Pork
There
is
we
having
go.
issues. There you go.
Booyah.
Now have a seat next to Papa here, okay?
All right.
Go on, Pork.
Almost
Put your,
there.
put your CC
Just
belt on.
watching some VODs of a show that might have happened a while ago.
Yeah, man.
Just waiting
Good
for
show.
There we go.
pick up Curtis.
I'm
There
in.
you go. Damn, man. Pork's got the pimp ass seat. Look at him.
Yeah, you know, look at that shit. Oh, it's
I'm gonna wait
comfy
for him
too.
with me, though.
Yeah, you know. All these vehicles, we have to all get so intimate all the time.
If I laid
No, it's
down
not-
on the floor here, I'd blend in, no problem.
Yeah, you would be like, hey, where did Chip go?
Hey, EMS is pulling in.
Oh, well. Please disperse. Nothing to see here.
Maybe she wants to hop on the yacht.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe she
Hey,
did.
we're...
Hey, who is that? Is that Jen?
Hello, gentlemen.
No. I
Hello.
don't know who she is.
Hello, Governor. You guys want to ride on the yacht of love?
No,
He's
yeah,
under.
love.
He's underwater.
Yeah, underwater.
It's only waist high, though. We can save it.
Who is that?
Wait, somebody died?
Who am I?
There's a body under the water right where the EMS guy is.
Really?
What?
Yep. It doesn't look like Curtis, and this Curtis has got a different suit.
Who died
There
this
your
time?
legs, Lily.
I hope it's not Zeke. Zeke said he was leaving town for a couple days, and maybe someone, like, rolled him.
He's wearing the Zeke suit, though.
Yeah, I know, right? Maybe it is Zeke. Oh, poor
He's got the
bastard.
Zeke backpack.
Oh, no.
Alright,
I don't...
wet, but
Oh, God. If it's Zeke,
thank you.
I'll be very upset.
If you need any more medical attention, please call EMS, okay?
I think he missed that.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to use that shop.
I'd fucking coming.
Hey, is that Allison?
Amish, what's up? You know what?
Hey, what's up, guys?
You'll be my age someday soon, all right? So just back
This is
off,
my boat.
buddy.
I decided
Huh?
Not,
Yeah.
not heed your advice and stay up.
A nice boat, man.
Pretty sweet boat.
Hey, you guys want to ride? Come on.
Take a break from your exhausting job.
Allison,
That tow
can I
truck
get,
trying to
can
tow
I
our
get your
cars?
number?
As long as your car's
Real
locked, you're
smooth.
fine. Well, unless it
Hey,
gets
what did she
lockpicked.
say? Was that a yes? Allison.
Hey man, have some class. I think Allison is gonna die.
I'm up here, Murphy. What are you talking about?
Children go like all over the place.
Allison.
Slaves on there. You move the yacht so I can get mine.
Muda, give me a second, bro. Allison.
He's trying to get his holler on right now, you know what I'm saying?
Someday everyone will be my age. By the time
Allison,
all
do you
these
like-
youngsters at my age, like people will be living until like
Just have fun in the
fucking
boat, okay?
163 or some shit. And everyone's gonna hate their lives. Like once everyone reaches
Hey,
like
someone's still
120,
dead
they're gonna be
underwater.
like, God damn it, why am I not dead yet?
If
This is
What?
terrible crap.
Did you go?
Another 50 years, that shit will be
He's sitting on the
happening.
bottom of the water, right by
Oh, yeah, we can't get to him now.
and he's screwed.
Wrecked.
Kind of safe for Springfield.
GG.
Allison! You should let them borrow your swimsuit, bro. Oh my lord.
Oh God.
What are you doing, man?
I don't want to.
Oh God.
What was that?
What is happening?
What is
Look at all
going
you guys
on?
just cannonballs over the boat.
Something inside the cans
Flake, can you move your yacht, please?
don't wanna live somebody
Slowly.
else's
Well,
life.
Flake won't move off.
This is what I
Flake won't
wanna
move off
be,
this.
and this is what I give to you because I get it free. She smiles while I do my time. I could die for
Yeah, hating your life.
you wanna do.
I hate my life every other day. That's only when I only take certain medicines.
I'm here to be
So like, you got medicine day when I love my life, and you got non-medicine day, and you're all hungover, and you're like, God damn, it sucks. And then it's medicine day again, and you're like, yay, everything's awesome and happy. And then it's hangover day, and you're like, fuck, I
Can you
hate
move
this.
the yacht, please, Flake?
So, yep. Imagine 163 years of that, huh?
I could die for you. What you wanna do? Oh,
Blake, you're obstructing traffic in the harbor. Call the harbor master.
I'm gonna
down
shoot
here.
him in a minute.
Wow.
Allison, that was for you, please.
What?
Oh God.
Just give your man your number so we can get out of here.
Look out, look out, look out, look out, look out.
Oh God!
Oh God.
What's your number?
Oh my
Give him
God.
your number so we don't die.
Yeah, I don't want to die.
Stop being so desperate.
The thirst.
Stop being so desperate.
Talking about
Kind of unattractive.
what is that?
A little bit.
That's
Your
fire.
number,
We'll pick you up at Lady
piece of
Morris.
paper, tie it to a rock, and throw it across the water to you.
Okay. Oh, I caught it. God damn, everybody's gotta be so
It looks
serious.
like it landed
Jesus.
in the water. It's ruined.
I think those are the guys who went to pick up Curtis in that black card.
I'm just waiting for fucking Curtis, man. You know, it's chill. God damn. People think I'm thirsty. I'm just trying to be.
I
just wanna Netflix and chill.
8675309.
I've got it. I've got Allison's number on my
Oh my
Oh,
lord.
look out!
Oh my God! What are you doing, man?
I've got it. For a good time, yes.
Officer, are you sure this guy should be using a boat?
Ah, he's good, he's good.
But I'm not the harbor master. That's
Ah!
Good job, Flake.
Damn it, Flake. Here I am in.
Oh my god, that was hilarious.
That's so great.
Well, how much was that just blew up? How many millions of dollars?
Oh my god, dude.
Right?
It's like the famous last word. Please give me your CCTV so I can fucking look at that shit.
Oh, man.
They can't get us.
This
has
has
just
just been this has been so
I was gonna
bad.
dive.
Oh
I was
my God,
gonna
what are
dive
you
down.
doing?
I was gonna dive down and try to help.
I knew I should have got off the boat like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, right?
I just need to get out of here before I go to court and like not be a judge anymore and shit. Like after that.
Welcome to the afterlife, folks.
No. Lakeside Valley judge murders 3 innocent people on yachting accident.
There you go, Flake.
I need
Yep.
a lawsuit. Who's a good
Anonymous
lawyer?
source leaked that Flake was high on
Uh.
cocaine and trying to get with an EMT.
Oh no! Oh,
That wasn't an EMT. That was an officer. That was the funniest shit that,
That was the
that
officer?
Murphy could have said, dude. He's like, well, you know, I'm not the harbor master.
Spawned another yacht right there.
Uh,
Oh God, everyone's dying.
oh, come on. More
It's
explosions.
just like
Come on.
off the server over here and everybody's just dying.